beautiful babes. Yes, loving some new nails. This, I am loving, y'all. These nails right here. Yes, I am rocking two different styles. Y'all know this is the new thing. I am rocking the Candlelight French tip press-on nails. I have one on that's in the almond shape, and the other one is in the coffin shape. But these are pre-colored, pre-designed gel nail tips, which means no painting, no shaping, no base coat, no top coat unless you want to. Just press on and baby, you're ready to go. You've got that elegant French tip look that literally took me under 30 minutes to do. And that's including picking out the sizes that fit my fingers. Yes, indeed. I think they are super flattering and gives your hand that put together vibe, even when you're in leggings and messy hair. What I love the most, they're so durable. These nails are so durable. I'm a hands-on person, always doing something, organizing, picking up after my granddaughter, even cooking a little bit, cleaning up. And these press-ons hold up, no chipping, no cracking, and no worry about running to the salon every 2 weeks. Man, it's been so long since I did that. So if you're a DIY nails kind of person and even thinking about starting a little side hustle doing nails for others, these are perfect. You can totally add your own flair with charms, rhinestones, nail art decals, whatever your heart desires, or just keep it clean and classic. Either way, it looks like you spent way more time and money than you actually did. Y'all, the one thing about turning 60 that really got me right now is staying focused as far as my weight. This is driving me crazy. But I did get something to help me out. I definitely want to give a big shout out to Able Grid for partnering with me and to give me something that will keep me on track, or at least tell me that I'm not on track, okay? And that is this Smart Body Fat Scale that I have. Listen, y'all, this thing will tell you your social security number, everything, honestly. I'm just kidding about that. But y'all, let me talk about this and let you see when I got it, how I set it up and so forth. But I am so impressed by this scale. This scale does it all. All the bells and whistles that you need if you're trying to see what's going on with the weight. So this is it right here. This has honestly changed the way I approach my health. This right here is the Able Grid Smart Body Fat Scale in this gorgeous, I call it pink, but it might be rose gold, something like that. Y'all, this is not just any bathroom scale. This is your accountability partner, your motivator, your mirror that talks back with facts, and it's cute enough to stay out on display. Now, here's why I'm obsessed. First, this baby doesn't just tell you how much you weigh. It tells you why you weigh what you do. You're getting 16 different body composition metrics. I'm talking BMI, body fat percentage, muscle mass, water percentage, heart rate, even body age. Yes, oh my goodness, body age, y'all. And guess what? You don't even need your phone nearby to use it. Just step on it and the data syncs later through the Fit Days app. Boom, hands-free tracking. I love this. One of my favorite features is that extra large, colorful display. Unlike most scales that make you squint at some tiny numbers, this one boldly shows you your top 8 metrics right on the screen. It's motivating, it's visual, and honestly, it makes me want to do better every day. And the setup, super easy. Connect via Bluetooth, register in the app one time, and you're off. There's even baby mode for tracking your little one's growth. Now you know I love that. Or even your fur babies. Let's be honest. It has multiple user profiles too, so the whole family gets to stay on track without juggling logins. And let's talk power. No more wasting money on batteries. This scale is USB-C rechargeable. One charge lasts forever. It's accurate to 0.1 pound, and the full surface sensors mean even my wide feet feel seen and supported. Y'all, if you're serious about understanding your body better, staying motivated, or just want a more aesthetic way to track your progress, this scale is it. And yes, it's FSA, HSA eligible, which is a huge plus. Woo, y'all, this is it. Really, I just want to touch base with y'all on the scale. I'll be really dilly-dallying around with it more as I get more familiar with it, and I'll more than likely share with y'all some more information that may be helpful to you all if you're interested in getting it. But I'm already impressed by it. I love it. I love the cute pink. It matches my beauty room here, and that is so adorable, I say. But I am on my way to definitely paying more attention to myself. I mean, I can't play with me. Y'all know I got baby Royal here. You know, she don't want her grandma like all laid out in the bed, not feeling well. So weight is so important right now, and getting some of this visceral fat off of me is so important to me right now. You know, I'm just taking it one day at a time. I'm not going to stress myself out about it because that won't do any good, but just taking it one day at a time. And I hope you are too. So we're going to be chatting, and I will be back to y'all real soon. So stick and stay right here. If you're a woman that's living life to the best, to your fullest, or trying to in your 60s, hey, come on board. Even if you're in your 50s, 40s, 20s, 30s, I don't care. Y'all come on over. I am happy to have all beautiful babes hanging out with me. So I will see y'all in the next one. Take care until then, and please tell a friend where you're hanging out at, right here. And yeah, you know how you do that. Yes, ma'am. Share me with your world. I'll see you soon.
She don't need no crown to command respect. With a heart that's been tested but never regrets. She's a rhythm of hope you can't forget. Yeah, there's power in her voice, strength in her steps. She's got hands that heal and words that light the way. Lifts up the broken even when she's in pain. Carries her story.